Here you can see this is just default WordPress website. Now I have downloaded some theme support that from Invent or Element or anywhere, and now I want to install that zip file and add in install its demo. For that, what I need to do, go to Elementor. Yeah, sorry, go to WordPress. Yeah, and I am logged into admin dashboard. Go to appearance page, click on theme. Now go to click on add new theme, upload theme, and here you need to upload the zip file. Now you need to add a specific zip file. Like sometimes you get when you download theme, you get in zip file there will be multiple content. So you need to install theme zip file. Okay, you can find that theme zip file by extracting. Suppose I want to install it. Click on install now. I have uploaded zip file. Here you can see installing theme file. I have purchased a theme named Aga. I have installed its zip file. If you got any error and it is not installing, that means you haven't uploaded the proper zip file. So extract it, then you can find proper zip file. Click on activate. Now I've uploaded the theme file, but I don't see anything. Like when I go on my website, here you can see some, but my theme is different. Here you can see this is my theme, but I haven't got such a thing. For that, what I need to do, go to my website, go here. Now here you can see being install plugin. So you need to install first, need to install all plugin. Now, after installing, you will get the option of import demo. If you don't get it, just read the document that will guide you properly. Like for that, here you can see all the plugin has been installed. 8, 9, 10. When I refresh it, here you can see after installing theme, I don't get any option. Like here, I'm also not able to find how to import document or anything. What I will do, I will go to when you extract file, you will get a option of documentation on that zip file that you have downloaded from website. Now that file go here. You can see here I got the URL. Now I will go the installation and there is option of demo import demo contact. I will go to it. For that, what I need to do, here you can see it will guide me to make sure all plugin activated before. Now here demo constant content install, that will be available on tools if after I got to this plugin. So I will go to my website. Here you can see this plugin is here. I will go over here. Here you can see backup and demo content. I will activate it. Now it is activated. Now in setting tools, here you can see demo content install. I got the option. Now I can import all the demo content that is shown here. Like here you can see all the demo content I can get. Here you can see it is installing. It is of 34 MB. It will take some time. Now here theme has been installed. Here you can see I get whole page, everything same as the reference. Sometimes you get some content alignment issue, some color issue that you can manage by just clicking on add this Elementor. Then you can style this feature anything if you got any issue as compared to reference. Okay, here you can see everything I got. Here you can see I got everything set up as per the reference thing. Okay, everything I got there. From issue like footer color is not, you can just go to add the element and style that footer. Mostly part you get right. Okay, so therefore you can easily import your theme in your WordPress website. Very simple. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.